Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
In this video, I'll reveal a passive income app that's been quietly boosting my earnings. Meet Repocket, the app that lets you cashify your internet connection and even earn a little bonus on top. In this video, I'll guide you through what Repocket is, how it works, the platforms it supports, and how to get started. Plus, I'll share my personal experience and earnings with Repocket. Repocket is a cutting-edge app that lets you earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Running seamlessly in the background, it utilizes your idle internet connection and pays you for it. It is an effortless way to earn from your internet without any additional effort. With Repocket, you share your extra bandwidth anonymously to help businesses with market research and data analysis. This data helps them improve their services and make smarter choices. In return, you get a portion of the profits generated from your contribution. It's a win-win. Repocket works on almost any device you own, from phones and computers to even servers. Whether you're using a Microsoft Windows device, Google Android phone, MacBook or iPhone, or use Docker on Linux, you can download Repocket and start earning. Repocket is effortless. Just download the app and let it run in the background. Plus, Repocket prioritizes your security so you can relax knowing your data is protected. And the good news keeps going. You can even earn extra by inviting your friends. Excited to start using Repocket? Let me now walk you through the easy installation steps and its dashboard. Getting started with Repocket is easy. Here is how you can install it. Just follow the steps. Head over to the link in the video description to create your free account and grab your $5 one-time joining bonus. It's quick and easy. Just enter your name, email address, and choose a strong password. Don't forget to review the terms of service and privacy policy before clicking sign up to get started. Once you've signed up, it's time to download the app. You can either head to the Repocket Downloads page or find it directly in your device's app store. Once you've downloaded the app, simply install it and launch it. Log in with your new account information and grant the app the necessary permissions to start earning. Sit back, relax, and watch your earnings pile up. Just let the Repocket app run in the background. It will handle everything while you focus on the things you enjoy. The Repocket dashboard is your one-stop shop for tracking your progress. See how much you've made, monitor your activity, and stay in control. To access your Repocket dashboard, simply click Login. This will take you to a secure screen where you can enter your credentials. The image here showcases what the login screen looks like. Just enter the email address and password you created during sign-up. For added convenience, check the Remember Me box to avoid logging in each time. Then, click Login to access your Repocket dashboard. The dashboard you see here provides a clear overview of your Repocket activity. Your dashboard shows your total earnings, broken down by different sources. This includes income from sharing your bandwidth, any bonuses you've received, and earnings from referrals. The dashboard conveniently shows your withdrawal eligibility. Keep in mind that you'll need to reach a minimum of $10 before you can transfer your earnings. To withdraw, click on the Withdraw button. Choose from popular options like PayPal, Wise, or USDT Polygon to transfer your money. Repocket is always looking for ways to make things convenient, so keep an eye out for even more withdrawal methods in the future. Click the Sell Internet icon to see a detailed breakdown of your earnings. This page shows your daily, weekly, and monthly income, all conveniently displayed in one place. You can also see which of your devices are currently connected and actively sharing their internet bandwidth, along with some additional device details. The Referral tab keeps track of your earnings from recommending Repocket to others. You'll see the total number of people you've referred, along with how much you've earned from each referral. Share Repocket with your friends and earn even more. Here's how it works. Your friends get a $5 bonus when they sign up using your link. You get a $3 bonus when your friends withdraw their earnings, plus you'll continuously earn 10% of their future Repocket income. There's more. You'll also earn an additional 2% whenever your friends refer others to the platform. These amazing offers won't last forever. Sign up for Repocket today and start earning passive income. Here's how. Click the link in the video description or scan the QR code on screen. Simply pause the video if needed. Sign up and claim your $5 bonus. I've been using Repocket for a few months now, and it's become a reliable source of passive income. The app runs seamlessly in the background, so I barely even know it's there. It's a fantastic way to earn a little extra cash without any hassle. Repocket is the perfect place to start your passive income journey. It's easy to use, reliable, and can help you earn a little extra on the side. Don't miss out, sign up today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.